In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add days to dates in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to figure out a deadline or a future shipping date without reaching for a calendar, this is for you. Google Sheets makes it simple because behind the scenes, dates are stored as numbers. That means you can do regular math with them, and adding days is as easy as adding a number. Start by clicking the cell where you want your new future date to appear. Type the equals sign to begin a formula. Now click the cell that holds your original date, type a plus sign, and then type the number of days you want to add. For example, +7 gives you exactly 1 week later. Press enter, and you'll see your new date instantly. Sheets automatically counts every day, including weekends, so you don't need to track anything manually. If your result looks like a long number instead of a date, that just means the cell is formatted as plain text or a number. Quick tip: change the cell format to a date using the formatting options in the toolbar or Format, Number, Date. Your result will display as a proper date right away. Now, if you want the number of days to be easy to change without editing the formula each time, point the formula to another cell that holds the day count. Here's how that works. Put the number of days you want to add in its own cell, like 30 for a 30-day deadline. Then, in your results cell, type equals, click your original date, type a plus sign, and click the cell that contains your day count. Press enter. From now on, whenever you update that separate cell, from 30 days to 60 days for example, your calculated date updates instantly. It's a great way to keep schedules flexible while keeping your sheet clean and easy to manage. A couple of quick reminders to keep things clear. Make sure your original date is a real date that Sheets recognizes, not text that just looks like a date. If needed, adjust the cell's format to date before you start. And if your sheet uses a different regional date format, the math still works the same way. The display might change, but the calculation does not. That's it. Equals your original date plus the number of days, and enter. No more counting on your fingers. If you found this helpful, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets shortcuts and time-saving tips.